Ever felt panic coming before anything even happens? Your heart speeds up, your chest tightens, and your mind starts racing with what-ifs. Victor used to experience this every day. Panic before anything actually went wrong. But now he knows how to stop it before it takes over. Today, he's sharing the exact tools that changed everything. Victor used to wake up with panic already building. Not full panic attacks, just that rising tension. The tight chest. The sense that something bad was coming. It wasn't caused by anything specific. Sometimes just a message notification. A task he forgot. Or even silence. Panic didn't happen to him. It built slowly until it exploded. One morning, while feeling that wave rising again, he realized, if I can feel panic building, maybe I can stop it from taking over. That moment changed everything. Panic doesn't start at 100%. It starts at 5%. Victor learned to recognize the first signs. A tight chest. A faster thoughts. A feeling unsettled. A heat in the neck. A shallow breathing. When he felt the first 5%, he told himself, this is the beginning, not the end. Naming it early stops panic from growing silently in the background. Awareness is the first level of control. When panic builds, your breathing becomes sharp. Victor needed a way to interrupt it fast. He found a simple breath that immediately calms the nervous system. Inhale 4 seconds. Hold 2. Exhale 6. Why does this work? Because long exhales tell your brain, you're safe. Victor uses it anywhere. In the car, at work, walking outside. Just 3 cycles can stop a panic wave before it grows. When panic starts, the mind jumps to fear. What if something bad happens? What if I mess this up? What if I can't handle it? Victor asks one grounding question. What's actually happening right now? Not what could happen. Not what might happen. Not the imagined worst-case scenario. Just, right now, what is real? When the mind comes back to the present, the future loses its power. Panic loves stillness. The more you freeze, the more it grows. Victor started taking small actions the moment panic begins. A standing up. A stretching his hands. A walking for 10 seconds. A shaking out his shoulders. A drinking water. Movement interrupts the spiral. It tells the body, we're not stuck. We're not trapped. Panic loses power when the body moves. Now, Victor doesn't wait until panic controls him. He catches it early. He breathes with intention. He grounds his mind. And he moves before anxiety freezes him. He learned something powerful. Panic isn't a monster. It's a signal, and signals can be managed. If you feel panic before it starts, try these tools today. And if you want more mental resets like this, subscribe for daily emotional wellness tips. Your peace is worth protecting.